Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can get notifications when your favorite artist release new music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up Settings. Now in Settings, go down and tap on Notifications. Then go down to the notification style and tap on Music. Next, at the top here, tap on the Allow Notifications. So tap on that to switch it on so that you can turn on notifications for music. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Music Notifications Settings. Next, in here, tap on New Music to switch it off or turn on. Now, because we want to receive notifications when an artist release new songs, so you want to switch it on. And you can also choose to show in library as well. After that, tap on Done. And that's it. So from now on, whenever your favorite artist release new music, you will get notifications. So in here, go to Artists, and then select an artist that you want to favorite. So I'll open up this artist here and then tap on the favorite button, and that's it. That is how you can favorite your artist. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.